Ladies and gentlemen, up next, the heroes!
Hello everyone, we are the heroes under the topic biodiversity. We are going to be presenting on the impacts of of the gradual change in climate in biodiversity. Biodiversity is the study of life forms variation of life forms that makes our planet to be habitable, like plants, as you can see, and also animals.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we were concerned about our biodiversity. So due to gradually changing of climate, there are some of the impact, the very impact which will have in our climate, on our biodiversity rather. So due to human intervention, they release the greenhouse gases. In particular, carbon dioxide and CFCs and many more of the greenhouse gases. So therefore, due to human intervention, as I said, the more the greenhouse gases increases, so the climate will change, in particular the weather. So we concern about our plant species, animal species, or rather our environment entirely. So what will happen is that due to climate change, we will have some of the new species. And what will happen as well, some of the species will transform. And species will transform from, these are the endemic species. And due to changing climate, these species will transform, it will change shape, rather the body shape will decrease size, and as well as the skin color will have these species which will transform to this one. As well, some of the species, since some of the species are endangered, some of the species will be extincted. So some of our species, they will die. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it is important to conserve our species. All kinds of species are important to us. They form the part of the ecosystem, food chain, food web. Each and every species is important from one species to another. So we might not think that species are not important to us, so we need to get rid of them. So we need to conserve all our species. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, that's all.